Are you ready to unlock the secret to making your Wix website look amazing on every device, ensuring no visitor misses out on your awesome content? First, let's tackle those pesky horizontal scroll bars that appear when your website elements are too wide for smaller screens. Click on the page background, and in the settings panel, you'll see a toggle labeled stretch to full browser width. Make sure this is enabled. Next, activate your rulers by going to the top menu and selecting Tools, then Rulers. These are your best friends for aligning elements and ensuring they stay within the safe area, the visible area on most devices. Now, group related elements together. Select multiple elements by holding down the Shift key while clicking, then click the group icon. This keeps them together during resizing. Time to adjust the resizing behavior. Select an element and look for the resizing handles. Experiment with options like scale proportionally to maintain aspect ratios, or choose fixed position if you want an element to stay put. Finally, don't forget the mobile editor. Switch to the mobile view in the Wix editor, and here, you can make specific adjustments for smaller screens, hiding elements that aren't necessary, or rearranging content for optimal viewing.